What's going on, guys? Welcome to Fish and Sea. My name is The Bill. Today I'm making a video on how to make a high-low rig for trolling for Spanish mackerel. Today we're going to be using the Tsunami glass minnow. I prefer these. I've used them in the past and been very successful when targeting Spanish mackerel. To do the crimps, we're going to be using Bill Fisher's double sleeve. We're going to be using Yozuri's 60-pound super fluorocarbon, and then using my Danner crimp tool. Again, there are many different techniques in order to troll or target Spanish mackerel. This is going to be the specific one that I will be using in this tournament coming up in about a week and a half. I've had great success again in the past, and I'm going to show you guys how I make them. Stay tuned. All right, guys, step one, you're going to grab your leader line, and you're going to put the sleeve, or you're going to slide the leader line inside the sleeve. You're going to go about, I'd say, a foot and a half, and you're going to take the other end and put it through the sleeve as well. Stick it all the way through until you get a nice loop that's big enough to connect your snap swivel. Take your crimps, stick a crimp on the top, and then stick a crimp on the bottom. All right, so that's your first loop. Now your second step, you're gonna take the other sleeve, take your leader through, stick it through one of the glass minnows, and then right back to the sleeve. Now you want to try to make this as nice and neat as possible, just so it swims correctly. And again, put a crimp on the top and the bottom. And then lastly, you're going to put your last glass minnow in, line through the sleeve, through the glass minnow, and now you have your high-low rig. So when it's all said and done, it's going to look similar to this, like a school of bait fish running. So one's up higher, one's down low. Again, this has been really successful for me when targeting Spanish mackerel. If you guys have any questions, be sure to drop a comment in the comment section. If you guys are interested in any of these glass minnows or any of the sleeves or the Yozuri leader line, in the description there's a link that'll take you to Amazon where it'll take you directly to it, and you guys can purchase it on there. So if you guys have any questions, again, please hit me up. If you liked the video, drop a like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It'll definitely help out. So have a good one, guys.